Hi everyone, we're going to study more about color today and learn about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. I know you're so excited and I am as well, so let's get started. So we're going to watch a quick video and it's just going to introduce us into color theory a little bit.
So let's start at the beginning. You may remember back at school where you learned about primary, secondary, and tertiary colours. We are taught that the primary colours are red, blue, and yellow. When mixed together, these make the secondary colours, green, orange, and purple. Take it a step further and you'll get the tertiary colours, yellow, green, red, orange, and so on. These make up the traditional colour wheel that was created by Sir Isaac Newton and helps us to understand how different colours work together.
Let's get started on the next thing. So for our activity, we'll be doing a color wheel. As we kind of saw in the video, we're going to take some paint and create a color wheel that has the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. So some materials we will need include a color wheel worksheet, a plastic artist palette, some primary paints, red, yellow, and blue, a paintbrush, a cup of water, paper towel, writing utensils, scissors, and a glue stick. So these are the primary colors. We have red, yellow, and blue. So what are the secondary colors and how do we make them? Our secondary colors include violet, orange, and green. And secondary colors are made by adding two primary colors together with equal parts. Okay, let's do our secondary colors. So we already have our primary, red, yellow, and blue. And so to make secondary colors, we have to have equal parts of two primary colors. So let's start with orange. We need equal amounts of red and yellow. So there we have our orange. So then we'll go onto the paper and fill in the orange spot. And for the sake of time, I'm not filling it in all the way, but when you do it, you'll do it completely. And then you'll rinse out your brushes to prevent colors from mixing. And then we're gonna do green. So we need equal parts of blue and yellow. There we go. Fill it in. Next, we need to do our violet, and that is blue and red. Equal parts of both. Mix it together. Okay, and we have our violet. Go to your paper, fill it in. And so you can see right now we already have our primary and our secondary colors. So next we'll be doing our tertiary colors, these in between ones. So these are our tertiary colors, and to get our tertiary colors, you add equal parts of a primary color with a secondary color. For example, to make red orange, you add equal parts of orange with equal parts of red. So first, we're going to make yellow orange. So we need equal parts of yellow and equal parts of orange. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add enough yellow to the orange to make it yellow orange. And there you can see it's a little lighter than the previous orange. Let's do our red orange. So we're gonna add more red to the orange. And there we have it. And so it's slightly darker than the normal orange, but not as dark as the red. And now we're gonna make our red violet. You need to add equal parts of red to your violet. Our blue violet, we need equal parts of blue and purple. And then you'll add it to your paper. So it's slightly darker than the purple, but it's not quite blue. Okay, now we're gonna do our blue-green. So blue-green is equal parts of green to blue. So it's kind of like an aqua color. And then we need to make yellow-green as our last one. Like equal parts of the yellow. And there we have it. We have our color wheel. And so this is what you'll do for your assignment, and then you'll turn it in. And so these are our instructions for the activity. First, you'll complete the color wheel worksheet as I demonstrated. You'll label it and let it dry and put your name on it as well. Once you dry it, I want you to cut it out in a circle and glue it inside your unit workbook under color. And then you'll submit the assignment either by turning it in person if you're an in-person student, or you'll submit it online with a photo on Canvas if you're an online student. And before you do this activity, I encourage you to do this Kahoot review. It will just help you refresh your memory on primary, secondary, and tertiary colors and allow you to do the assignment a lot easier. And then these are just some references, so if you want to watch that whole video, go right ahead, and I hope you have a great day.